Mahabaleshwar, one of my all-time favorite places. We had went to Mahabaleshwar for 2 nights and 3 days. So what comes in our mind when we think of Mahabaleshwar is fresh strawberries, and I had a lot of them. Our number one place to visit on the list was Mahabaleshwar Temple, which is in Old Mahabaleshwar. There were several temples other than the main Mahabaleshwar temple there, and this was one of them. This is Panchaganga Temple. It was constructed at convergence of 5 rivers, that is Krishna, Venna, Savitri, Koyna and Gayatri. It is believed that 5 rivers originate from Gaumukh inside Panchaganga Temple. It was constructed in 13th century. And this is the main Mahabaleshwar temple. The first historical mention of Mahabaleshwar dates back to year 1215 AD. The temple houses Lord Shiva's bed, Damru and Trishul. I couldn't capture that because it was not allowed to use cameras inside. This is the exterior of the temple. This was built in Hemad-Panti style. And after having the regional fruits near the temple, we headed towards go-karting. It was my first experience of go-karting, and believe me, it was too much fun. Then we went to the most famous place of Panchagani, that is Mapro garden. Usually this place is very crowded, but due to the pandemic effect, there were much less tourists here. There were beautiful lotus and cute tiny fishes in the pond. With greenery all around, there's chocolate, jam, jellies factory, restaurant and children's play area. Here is a nice sitting area and also a retail outlet selling Mapro products. And here I'm grabbing some of my favorite chocolates and crushes. Then we went to the last place of the day on our list, that is for the horse riding. And finally we were on our way to our resort, that is the Rockford Resort. After a nice day of exploring, we were here to relax and rest for the rest of the day. This was a nice and cozy AC room with a beautiful valley and pool view. I'll be making a separate video on this resort. Then next day, after having a nice breakfast, we checked out and moved towards our next hotel, that is Hotel Valley View by Mango Hotels. And I will be making a video on this hotel too. It was almost 3 o'clock So we decided to have brunch at the Grapevine restaurant. It had a really nice interior. I tasted some strawberry wine, which was so delightful. And this is what I had in my brunch. Then our next destination was Lingmala waterfall. The timings to visit there is 8 am to 5:30 pm and the entry fee is 20 rupees. We were super late and there were just 15 minutes left for this place to get closed down. Actually, there are two parts. One is the pool part and another one is the main waterfall part. We just rushed to the waterfall pool part because it was not possible for us to walk down to the main waterfall as we were short of time. And this is the beautiful and relaxing view. We were not able to spend much time there, but yeah, there were nice 15 minutes of the evening. Then we went to Bagicha Corner, which is very famous as many celebrities has visited this place. You can also see their pictures put up there. I had a nice strawberry cream and then headed towards Venna Lake. We were not able to do boating there as it was already closed. So I had some sweet corn bale and then headed towards main market. But before that, we went to our hotel to change and freshen up ourselves. Here I had a yummy chicken shawarma. You can see many shops of chana, chikki, fudge and jellies there, and they are very famous in Mahabaleshwar and Panchaganga. Also, there are many shops of beautiful wooden articles. There are toys, and elegant Kashmiri work fabrics. And here our day ended with my favorite pani puri. Then we went back to our hotel at around 11 pm and started packing up our stuff as next day we were going to leave for Kolhapur. So this was our nice trip to Mahabaleshwar of 3 days after a very boring lockdown. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If yes, then don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button. And if you are new here to my channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon for the more such coming videos. Thank you.